Hey everyone, Boston Backyard Grower and BostonGrower with our first video of unboxing, reviewing, testing, and setting up video of our new sponsors, ViparSpectra. They sent us a new grow light, so we're gonna unbox it, check it out what they sent. Then we are gonna show how to set it up and then test it out. By testing it out, I'm going to show full growing detail from seed to harvest. And then for review, we are going to do a simple review right now of what they sent us and then run a full review as the grow is going. Okay, so first step, we're going to unbox it and see what they sent us. This looks like a very nice ViparSpectra grow light. You can see the board here. It's a very nice thin light, as you can see. It has like a gauge in when it's in the first stages of the grow to have the full control of the lights. It's nice. And it looks very nice and well built also. All right, so there you go. ViparSpectra grow light. Now we are gonna connect it, see all the pieces that they have inside, and then go from there. This is the tie-ups I like to use, so they'll go great. I'll show you how to connect this and then set it up. All right. Okay, so to start the setting up part of the light, this is a little bit simple part, which we're gonna take our strings and we're just gonna hook them here first. So we're gonna do that for all 4 of them. Okay, so now that we set up all 4 of these connections, first connection pieces, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna grab a little bit of a chain link. I'm gonna show you this, what we're gonna need this for. So we're gonna connect these pieces like this together. That covers one side, as you can see. Tying that up a little bit. So we're closing them inside, as you can see. So now they have that piece there. We're gonna do the same thing for the other side. So these pieces together, hook them inside and then close it in so they don't slide out. Okay, so we got this side hooked with one piece, and then we have the other side with the same style. Now, with the rest of the chain link, we're gonna cut this in half, make 2 pieces. Okay, so now that we separated the chain link, I'm gonna take it and I'll put a hook up here, and I'll put it inside the hook. Same as for the other one. So like 2 hooks, which they're gonna be hanging over our growing area. Now, the most important thing is electricity and not to cause any fire, any meltdowns. Usually these boards get pretty hot, but I don't know, I haven't used this one yet. So, and I don't want to take any chances of this wire here, this conduit, to touch any hot areas. So for that, I'm gonna grab a clipper, a metal clipper, paper clipper, whatever, and I'm gonna hook it right inside here. As you can see, you can slide it like that and flip it over. So like that. Now I know for sure that this cord is not gonna touch any electrical, any hot areas. You see, I gave it some distance here. So that's the most important step when connecting new lights, or the cord lights are too close to the electric board. Usually they get warm, as I said. Now we're just gonna hook it up into that chain link that we just put. Okay, so as you can see, I hooked up that small piece into a longer piece, so I can adjust the height where it's gonna be on the plants. Again, over here, make sure that this electric conduit here does not touch the board by using a clipper, and we're just gonna connect it now. Just see the light and see how it reflects into our grow area. Oh, right there, he looks pretty nice and clean. So as you can see, we hooked that to run away and into a timer. We can move the knob, as I said, to change the light power or lower, depending on at what stage you're on and the distance. We're gonna keep it at consistent 75 to 80 and play with the height. Okay, so next, as you can see, inside the box they had a using suggestions, so you can run with this depending on what you're growing and how you're growing it and what your growing style. But typically, as you can see, they tell you to keep it between 24, between 16 and 28 is the max. So just look at it that way. And whatever percentage you want to keep the on and lights off. We're growing autoflowers and we're growing some vegetables on the other channel. So we're gonna go with an 18 and 6. All right. And with this, we'll say thank you to ViparSpectra for hooking it up with this grow light. And now we're gonna show the full grow in detail and test the light out throughout the whole grow. All right, so thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description. We got some discount codes in there, so use them up if you feel like getting one of these lights. All right, thanks.